Why your car cranks but won't start. Don't panic. This is one of the most common car problems, and in most cases, the fix is simple. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 reasons your car cranks but won't start and what you can check right now. The first thing your engine needs is fuel. If your fuel pump isn't working, the engine will crank forever but never start. Try spraying a small amount of starter fluid into the intake. If it starts for a second, you have a fuel delivery problem. The second thing the engine needs is spark. If your ignition system fails, the engine won't fire. Pull a spark plug, ground it, and see if it sparks while cranking. No spark means ignition issue. Even if your car cranks, a weak battery can still prevent starting. Modern cars need strong voltage for fix. Jump-start the car or test the battery. Anything under 12.4 volts is suspect. Many newer cars have an anti-theft system. If the immobilizer doesn't recognize your key, the car will crank but won't start. Fix. Try your spare key or replace the key battery. Engines need air and compression. The engine may crank but never catch. A compression test will confirm this. So if your car cranks but won't start, remember. Most of these can be diagnosed quickly with a few basic tools. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple car repair tips. And comment below. What car are you working on?